Imagine going to the dentist, and instead of getting a fake tooth, you get a real one that grows into your gums and even connects to your nerves. No more painful drilling. No more loose crowns. A new smart tooth could make that all a thing of the past. Today we reveal a new medical breakthrough that could change dentistry forever. This smart tooth is not just a regular dental implant. It's a bioengineered tooth that grows inside your mouth. Scientists designed it using stem cells and advanced biomaterials that mimic real tooth roots. Once placed, the smart tooth actually fuses with your gum tissue and connects to nerves, so it feels natural when you chew. The biggest challenge was connecting a fake tooth to real nerves, but scientists solved it. They use tiny conductive fibers that guide nerve cells to grow toward the implant. This means you get real sensation when you bite, unlike normal implants that feel numb. Traditional dental implants only sit in the jawbone and can sometimes fail or feel unnatural. The smart tooth is alive. It grows with your gums and adapts to your mouth over time. This could help millions who lose teeth every year due to accidents, aging, or disease. Researchers from China and Japan worked together for over 10 years to develop this technology. They combined advanced tissue engineering, nanotechnology, and stem cell science. After years of trials in animals, human clinical tests finally began in 2025. The first smart tooth surgeries for humans are expected by 2027. Experts say it will cost more than traditional implants at first, but prices may drop as technology grows. In the future, dentists might even grow your new tooth directly from your own cells. Imagine a world where losing a tooth is no longer scary. Smart teeth could help athletes, accident victims, and even people with genetic disorders. It's like giving your mouth a second chance, powered by science. A tooth that grows like magic, feels real, and lasts a lifetime. Would you try it? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Globe Pulse Facts for more wild science stories.